warm good morning to all of you. My name is Anushka Kumari. I am a fellow classmate and I am from BB department of APU semester first. So I'm here to present a presentation on the topic scope of management. But before heading inside the topic, we have to get a brief outline of what management is. So management is the process of getting work done with people in formally organized groups. But management can also be written as manage plus men plus team, which is termed as managing the man tactfully in such a way that the organizational goals are effectively achieved. Now there are various activities that are performed in the management that comes under various functional heads. There comes our scope of management. Now there are prominently four scopes of management that are production management, marketing management, personnel management and financial management. Now we are going to head upon the first topic, which is production management. Production is the process of manufacturing goods and services with the help of resources. So production management can simply be said as the management of the production process. The production process works by creating a relationship between market demand and production capability in an enterprise. There are various functions or activities that are involved under production management that are designing the product, then locating a firm for its production, planning and organizing the operations, operating the various purchase and storage of raw materials, then inventory cost and quality control, and then research and management. Now, the next topic we have is marketing management. So marketing management is the controlling of marketing activities and people who perform those activities, that are managers, marketing management professionals, customers, and more. So marketing management has the brief outline of formulating and implementing strategies that are going to achieve wider organizational goals. The process of marketing management involves marketing research to know the market demand, then production of those demands, then pricing it appropriately, then creating a channel for its distribution, and then communication with the customers with the help of advertisement. After marketing management, we have financial management. So financial management is a strategic management of controlling or managing the enterprise's funds or undertakings. A financial manager allocates funds to meet costs such as salary, rent, mortgages, raw materials, etc. Under financial management comes searching an appropriate source of funding, choosing the right fund at the right time, then estimation or administration of earnings, and then estimation of the amount of funds. Then the last topic we have is personnel management. Personnel management comes under human resource management, which is all about recruiting the right people for the right job. But it also involves the promotion and motivation of all those employees that are already working in the organization. Under personnel management comes manpower planning, recruitment, selection, training, appraisal, promotion and transfer, compensation, employee welfare services, and personal report and research. Then at last, I want to thank Nishat ma'am for giving me this opportunity to come up here and express my thoughts upon this topic. Just be here confidently. And of course, thank you all for listening to me.